Welcome back friends, Pradeep over here. Today I am going to give a review of F&D A530U 2.1 multimedia speaker which I have just received, and yesterday I already have uploaded that F550X F&D, which is on the left side, that particular picture sound quality and everything that I have uploaded. A brief description about both of the speaker. The one in the left side, F550X, is having NFC for the Bluetooth pair, and it is having a Bluetooth connectivity, FM, USB play, and everything. So on the right side, what we can see, this particular speaker is pretty much simple. This particular speaker is not having any display as well. It is having only remote and FM and USB play. So let's go ahead and see both of the three speakers. So this is the one that I have received today. You can see this is a 530U 530U. This is 550X. So in front of over there is a beautiful LED which is actually changing the colors, and one display as well. And this is my reference, my old Iball raaga 2.1 with FM. Let's go ahead directly to my computer and play some music, so you people can differentiate the between both of the speakers. So let's go ahead and play something. It's playtime. It's playing through F&D A530U speaker. Fair bass, good sound. Let's go ahead and play the same thing through F550X. I think a lot of detail is missing in this particular speaker, the 550X one, which is actually a little bit costlier. It's almost like 700 rupees Indian currency to 800 Indian currency extra that I have paid for this A550X. I guess for the display it is having, and the Bluetooth connectivity it is having, and the NFC section these people have given. Now let's switch to F530U again. A fair amount of differences between the sounds, you can hear it. So do one thing, let's go ahead and put my Iball raaga on and turn off the F&D one. So let's go ahead and turn on my old raaga speakers. Play the same section of the music. Let's switch the music to something else. Play the same section of the music through F&D 550X. You can clearly differentiate between the sound quality. A lot of details is missing on this particular speaker. Let's play through the A530U. I don't know how the speakers are getting muted. A fair amount of sound and a fair amount of details also this particular speaker is having. So I guess this particular speaker A530U is my choice. So if you ask me to select among these particular three speakers, that is the old one Iball Raaga 2.1 FM with remote, this particular speaker, and this F550X and A530U, I will go with A530U F&D. So guys, this is a fair amount of sound test, I guess. So I don't know whether, I mean, like, you can understand the differences between this particular three speakers, because I am recording on my mobile device. So